Tama yung sabi ng aking chairman. Ikaw, gusto mong nag-play safe ka.
Andun ka sa loob na ng 1811. In accordance with your affidavit na that was gathered by General Natates and sa LSPD, andun na kayo. Kasama ka na doon sa unang batch na pumasok doon sa 1811. Yes or no?
No.
Ano oras ka po? So ngayon, ang sagot mo dito sa question ni Congressman Acop is ano? Nasa gitna ka. It's either yes or it's either no.
Sa NCRPO po ako, Your Honor.
O so binabago mo na yung sagot mo, NCRPO na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
Samantalang alam mo dapat na hindi pinapatayan.
Dahil pinatawagan po sa akin, Your Honor, yung mga arresting officers po na wala pa po sa taas, Your Honor.
Bakit nga kailangan patayin mo? There were two investigations conducted, one by the NCRPO and one by the Southern Police District. If we listened intently to the presentation of both the presenters, may mga contradiction. Doon sa presentation ng commander ng NCRPO, if you look intently at the chronology of events, nandun na yung planting of evidence. Doon sa investigation na kinonduct ng Southern Police District, wala yung sinasabi na planting of evidence. As a matter of fact, ang sinabi lang ng commander or former commander ng Southern Police District, operational lapses lang yung kanyang sinasabi. And everything is in order. Now, Mr. Chair, ito po ay implementation of a search warrant. At 44 people were involved doon sa iisang kwarto. I find it personally unusual na such a big number of officers and non-officers ay involved dito. So, may I ask, Mr. Chair, yung mga involved dito na 35, do you agree with the report of your former district director?
Vice Chair, are you going
I'm addressing this to the 35
So
who are
maybe,
being subjected already to summary hearing, because this might mean their dismissal from the service, Mr. Chair.
are you asking this representation to this chair to
ask them.
each and every accused?
If they have a spokesperson, then they can assign their spokesperson.
Nandito ba lahat ng 35?
Ang
Nandito
daming-
ba lahat?
ang
Can
daming-
you all stand up, yung mga 35 that are being accused of irregularities? O siguro, ano na lang, taas na lang natin ang kamay nila. Nominal. Or isa-isa natin silang tatanungin.
I
Or
think,
do you have
Mr. Chair.
very
sige, Congressman Bulso.
Before we ask them,
Yes.
this is in support with the intention of
Mm-mm.
our senior vice chair. Considering that Police Brigadier General Mariano has a lengthy statement and he has incorporated his version by narrating chronology of the events, no, the operations. May we request from him a copy of his declaration so that we can, when we begin propounding questions, we could readily determine consistencies or otherwise. Thank you, Mr.
Do you
Chair.
have a copy of the General Mariano? Do you have a copy of what you have discussed a while ago?
Yes, Mr.
Can
Chairman.
you kindly submit to this
Yes,
committee? Ano?
This copy is also forwarded to our Chief Philippine National Police. So I will just give it to a copy.
Sige, Comsec, do we have a copy of that? Have you submitted to us, Chief PNP, the copy of the submitted report by General Mariano?
Yes, I will do that, sir.
Okay, in relation to siguro bigyan na lang ng copy yung mga members. In relation to the query of Vice Chair Acop, if those involved in the alleged irregularities on this issue, do you confirm yung you were asking if these members who have been accused illegally that they are being accused of irregularities confirm the statement of General Mariano? Is that the line of questioning that you are trying to relate?
Tatanungin ko na lang, Mr. Chair, sila sa Tagalog.
Oh, sige, go ahead.
Yung mga opisyal na involved, na naimbestiga ngayon, do you agree with the report submitted or presented by your former district director?
Siguro
Si Police Colonel Guevara.
Vice Chair, siguro kung hindi natin sila matatanong isa-isa, siguro taas na lang natin yung mga kamay.
Yes.
Andiyan man sila lahat.
Pero
eh.
inuuna ko lang muna yung mga opisyal. Pero
Opisyalis muna. Sige, go ahead. Sige, go. Opisyalis muna. Si Colonel Guevara.
Thank you for,
I am reminding you that you are under oath.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you for recognizing me, Mr. Chair. With regard to the question regarding if I agree with the report of my
Would you please
Speak louder.
speak louder?
Yung mic,
Yung
ilapat
mic
mo lang.
mo.
regarding if I agree with the report of my former district director. Partly, Your Honor, I agree with the
When you say partly, anong ibig mong sabihin?
because we have already submitted our own position.
Hindi nga, ano ang ibig sabihin? Sabi mo, you agree partly with the report of your former director. What do you mean by that?
There are some Your Honor, Mr. Chair, there are some details that was not included in the comprehensive report being made by my former district director. Your Honor.
Eh, lapit mo. Hindi ko masyadong marinig iho eh. Pasensya ka na. May edad na ako eh. I'm hard of hearing.
Pakilapit lang yung mic sa
Oo,
ano.
kasi
Because Your Honor, there are some details that was not included in the report being submitted by my former district director, Your Honor.
pero
But most of it, Your Honor, I agree with.
totoo lahat yon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Si Major Quijana.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I agree with my former district director.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Sige. Nandito na ba si Captain Menes? Wala pa? Wala pa?
About 5 minutes siguro, sir, nandito, sir. 5 minutes.
Si
Yes, sir.
Si Magsalo. Oh,
So si Magsalos sandito.
Yes,
Ah,
Mr. Chair.
Si Magsalos from Di Parañaque, no?
yes.
Yes,
Oo.
Mr. Chair.
Saka si
Station.
Limbawan, si Captain. Sige,
Totoo? You
Go ahead.
agree?
I agree, Mr. Chair.
So you do not agree with the investigation report of your NCRPO commander?
answer please.
I agree, Mr. Chair, with the report of my former district director, sir.
Hindi naman yun ang tanong ko. You disagree with the report of your NCRPO commander? Do you agree or not? Kasi sinasabi nyo dyan sa chat nyo, mahirap akong paikutin eh. Totoo, mahirap nyo akong paikutin talaga.
Major Magsalos, please answer the question. It's simple. Kung yung sinasabi ni General Nagtates, hindi ka nag-agree doon, yes or no lang?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay, go. Sige,
So,
next.
you do not agree? Nervous ka na yun. Naalis na tuloy yung mo eh. You do not agree with the report of your NCRPO commander? Yes or no?
I disagree, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Captain Limbawan.
Wala pa ata si Captain Limbawan. No?
Wala
Andiyan
na.
na ba si Captain Limbawan?
Okay.
Wala pa. Okay,
Yung mga kwan,
Members.
Yung mga non-commission officers, those who agree with the report of your district director, please raise your right hand. Yung tanong ko, para maintindihan nyo, yung naniniwala na totoo yung report ng inyong district director, Southern Police District Director, ay totoo, pakitaas yung inyong mga kamay. Yung mga hindi naniniwala na hindi totoo, kindly raise your right hand. Wala. So, it is agreed na kayo lahat naniniwala na totoo yung sinasabi ng inyong district director. Agreed? Yes or no? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
At isa na ang problema nyo ay ako, si RA or RMA, mahirap paikutin. Hindi nyo alam yun pero nalalaman ko. Ha? Ano ngayon ang sagot mo, Iha? Alin ang mali doon sa report ni General Tates? Which is the official report?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Walang mali.
Opo.
Sa kabila may mali.
Hindi ko rin po masabi, Your Honor.
Well, tama yung sabi ng aking chairman. Ikaw, gusto mong nag-play safe ka. You cannot make a decision. Hopefully, we will not meet each other whenever you become an officer. Dahil sa isang opisyal, you must be decisive. Dapat nasa tama ka palagi.
Congressman
Thank you, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
tanungin natin si Madam. Madam, anong name mo po?
PSSG Crystal Ryan Rosita po.
Anong partisipasyon mo sa operation?
Arresting officer po, Your Honor.
Arresting officer, from the time that they were arrested, andun ka sa loob na ng 1811. In accordance with your affidavit na that was gathered by General Tates and sa SPD, andun na kayo. Kasama ka na dun sa unang batch na pumasok dun sa 1811. Yes or no?
No.
Ano oras ka pumasok sa loob?
12 midnight po, Your Honor.
12 midnight. O yun ang operation eh. Start ng operation yun, 12 midnight ah. Oh. Are you trying to tell us that ano oras nagsimula ang operation? Colonel Guevara, ano oras nagsimula?
It was past midnight, Mr.
What
Chair.
time?
It was around 12:30 to 1, Mr. Chair.
12:30 to 1.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So pumasok siya o 12:30 to 1, alas 12 andun ka na. Patrolman, Rosita, alas 12 andun ka na, 12:30 nagsimula.
I mean, Your Honor, hindi po ako kasama dun sa nauna po. Bali ako po kasama po
Wala
dun
ka sa
huling
1811.
po.
Nasa labas ka pa.
Opo.
Nasaan ka nun?
Sa basement po.
Sa basement ka naka-assign muna.
Opo, Your Honor.
So nung inaaresto na, saka ka lang pinatawag.
Yes, Your Honor.
O sige. So ngayon ang sagot mo dito sa question ni Congressman Acop is nasa gitna ka. It's either yes or it's either no.
Sa NCRPO po ako, Your Honor.
O so binabago mo na yung sagot mo, NCRPO na.
Yes, Your Honor.
O yun, sige. O binago na, Congressman Acop. Ha? Next, please.
Good morning po, Your Honor. I'm Police Master Sergeant Primitivo De Leon Jr. I agreed with this report of NCRP also.
Okay, next. Ilan na tayo? Ilan na yun? Sino pa yung mga members ng operation?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Police Corporal Claveria, Your Honor. I agree with the report of our former district director, Police Brigadier General Mariano, Your Honor.
Okay. Next.
Anong pangalan yung nag-agree sa district director?
Police Corporal Rexes Claveria po, Your Honor.
Claveria. Claveria.
Claveria po.
Claveria. And what was your job
Position.
during that time?
Perimeter security po, Your Honor.
Perimeter security. Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Okay, next. Yes, Congressman Bustos.
Bakit kailangan mong tanungin yung boss mo kung papatayin mo yung body-worn camera? Bakit kailangan?
May inuutos po kasi sa akin, Your Honor.
Ano yung iniuutos sa inyo?
Yung tawagan po yung arresting officer.
So in other
Your Honor.
words, ang sinasabi mo, wala pa sa lugar na yun yung mga arresting officers, tatawagan nyo pa. Kasi may grupo na nauna. Tama?
Hinintay po kasi ng arresting officers, Your Honor, yung mga witnesses po sa baba, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, kasi ibang grupo yung mag-aaresto pagkatapos na maklear ng mga naunang elements na pumasok doon sa 1811. Tama?
Your Honor, arresting officers together with the seizing po, Your Honor.
Hindi mo naman
Yes,
ako
sir, sir.
sinasagot, Tiha eh. Mamaya pag nainis ako, I will cite you for contempt. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang tanong ko, bakit kailangan tanungin mo yung si Police Major Quijana kung papatayin mo yung BSW samantalang alam mo dapat na hindi pinapatayan?
Dahil pinatawagan po sa akin, Your Honor, yung mga arresting officers po na wala pa po sa taas, Your Honor.
Bakit nga kailangan patayin mo? I-re-record nun lahat ng ginagawa ninyo eh.
Hindi, tanungin natin si para in relation to that. Ano ba yung ginamit mong body-worn camera? Body-worn camera o ARD? Kasi kung inuutusan ka na tawagan yung yung arresting officer, baka ang gamit mo ay ARD. Yun din ang gagamitin mong pantawag. Tinutulungan na kita sa justification mo, anong gamit mo?
BWC, Your Honor.
Body-worn. So, body-worn camera. So, hindi mo na siya dapat pinatay. Kung body-worn camera siya, nakalagay siya sa dibdib mo, pwede ka naman tumawag na inuutusan ka. So, ang reason, bakit mo pinatay? Ang tanong, ba't mo pinatay? Yes. You want to answer that?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, during the conduct of investigation and full-blown investigation, we're able to secure the DVR or the CCTV, including the footage of it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, kailan po natin ma-present yung video na yon? Video footage, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor. We can present now about the CCTV footage inside the premises where they search, including the CCTV footages outside the building or at the parking, at the hallway of the building, particularly on the 18th floor, para makita doon who are the personnel who entered the premises, including their actions thereat, kung sino yung mga yon, and including the CCTV. The CCTV on the hotel near the Southern Police District, particularly dun sa Bayani Road, where they kept the money, including footages of our usual investigation, informal investigation or interview to personnel who were investigated. Nandun, sir, kung ano yung sinasabi nila, including the interview by myself, by DRDO General Attorney Gorat, and different officers and witnesses on Lieutenant Bernard Guevara,